Once, in the ancient kingdom of Kapilvastu, there lived a young prince named Siddhartha. He was born into a life of luxury and privilege, surrounded by wealth and comfort. But despite his opulent surroundings, Siddhartha felt a deep sense of discontentment. As he grew older, Siddhartha became increasingly aware of the suffering and hardship that existed beyond the palace walls. He saw sickness, old age, and death, and he couldn't shake the feeling that there must be more to life than mere pleasure and indulgence. One day, overcome by a profound sense of longing for truth and understanding, Siddhartha made a life-changing decision. He resolved to leave behind his royal status, his wealth, and his family in search of deeper truths and the meaning of life. In the dead of night, Siddhartha slipped away from the palace, leaving behind everything he had ever known. He embarked on a journey of self-discovery, wandering through forests and villages, seeking wisdom from sages and holy men. For years, Siddhartha practiced intense meditation and asceticism, subjecting himself to extreme hardships in his quest for enlightenment. But despite his efforts, he could not find the answers he sought. One day, exhausted and near death, Siddhartha realized that the path of extreme asceticism was not the way to enlightenment. He understood that true wisdom could not be found through self-denial and deprivation alone. With this realization, Siddhartha decided to abandon the path of asceticism and instead pursue a middle way, a path of moderation and balance. He sat beneath a Bodhi tree and would not to rise until he had attained enlightenment. After days of deep meditation, Siddhartha finally experienced a profound awakening. He gained insight into the nature of suffering and the path to liberation. From that moment on, he was known as the Buddha, the Awakened One. The story of Prince Siddhartha's renunciation is a powerful reminder of the importance of self-discovery and the quest for deeper truths. It inspires us to look beyond the surface of our lives and explore the depths of our own consciousness. Like Siddhartha, we too can embark on a journey of inner exploration, seeking wisdom and enlightenment wherever it may be found. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe for more tales of inspiration and self-discovery.